the best knife brands in the world. I love them. I've been obsessed with knives since like high school, and I got these Shun knives in college, which are Japanese and really, really like they come down to a really sharp 16-degree angle. Or as these are more of like a German or American style. Oh yeah, they're look made in Germany right there, and I think these come down to like a 22-degree angle, so they're really like hefty and nice for like chopping. Whereas like sometimes when I'm using these Japanese knives, I feel like I'm gonna chip them or break them a little bit because they're really delicate. They're a little more delicate and lighter weight. But this is my favorite knife right now. It's I mean, this knife set comes with 6 pieces. You're gonna take it from me?
Yeah.
You're gonna be careful. It's very sharp. Are you holding it or not? It's the question.
I like the logo too. It's a cute little guys.
Yeah, it's Zwilling. It's gay. But this, let me turn this around and you can see. So I love this because it comes in this really nice 6-piece set. It's got this bamboo insert, which is just like, this whole thing is so easy to clean and stuff. This comes out, that's just a bamboo top piece. And then this bottom part is ceramic, and it's got the Zwilling logo down here. But I don't know, most knife blocks are all wood and they're not very modern looking. And I really love this is just like such a clean, simple aesthetic. Like you can put this, you know, in your all white kitchen and it's not like an ugly, you know, wooden oak colored, which that can be fine too. But I don't know, it's a little more traditional. I'm not looking for like a solid chunk of wood. This is just, I don't know, updated. Anyway, it comes with a chef's knife, which is like a must. You must have a chef's knife. Chef's knife. I think it's 8 inches. Yeah, it's an 8-inch chef's knife, which is sort of like that's a good standard size. That's what I have. This is 8-inch. This is 8-inch. Some other 8-inch ones. It's just like a classic. Do you want to go outside? Go ahead, Nala. Okay. Maybe she'll explore the backyard. So it's good. You've got that. Then you've got this. This is like a little serrated knife, which is great for like cutting bagels and stuff. This is 5 inches, but or even like some people like to use a serrated knife for tomatoes, but anything with bread, it's great for. It's like a little mini bread knife almost. Strawberries are more for what you'd use this for, which is a little 3-inch paring knife. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, this is a great Valentine's Day gift if your partner loves to cook like I do. Anyway, paring knife for all the small jobs, and then kitchen shears, which like you always need kitchen shears. Use these for everything. Once you get a good pair of kitchen shears, you won't stop using them. If you want to spatchcock a chicken, it's so helpful. Like you cut the spine out with that. You don't have to be using a knife to do it anymore. It's like, imagine when you go to like cut anything, like cut paper and stuff with scissors. Try doing that with a knife. It's just more difficult. And sometimes you just need a scissor and it does a really good job. And then you've got a honing steel, which you use to hone the edge of the blade. No, you're not doing that on this because these are brand new, so we're not doing that here. But I will show you how it works on a knife that's a little more dull, like this one. Basically, you want to line it up. So this, like I said, is a 16-degree edge. So you want to get it to about 16 degrees, and then you do this a few times on either side. And you should really do this like, you could do it, there's a few different like methods. Watch a YouTube video, but you could do it like here.
That doesn't seem safe. Cut yourself, yeah. I think the way you did it before is right.
No, this is fine. This is how a lot of chefs do it. But it helps realign the blade. Basically, this blade, like, it starts to get a little squiggly and whirly. Whirly, like as when you use it a lot, because it's, you know, it's delicate, and I can see like there's like a little notch right here, not a notch, but like a little bump. But basically, this just helps realign the blade. And then it's not the same as sharpening. It's not the same as sharpening because you're not taking any metal off with this. You're just sort of straightening out the blade. But eventually, yeah, you will want to sharpen. Anyway, I cut my fingers twice with this knife, and I haven't cut my fingers in years of cooking every single day. I have not cut my fingers. And then with this, I've cut myself twice, but just because it's so sharp, it's so crazy. Yeah. Oh, you know what it was? You know when you like scoop up the food and I went to slide it off, I ran my hand along this, and it was so sharp that I just cut my ring finger a couple weeks ago. But it is almost all the way healed now. Okay, what other cooking things do we have here? So that if that set is out of stock, the 3 important